What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. And I'm not working on my car today. I was just waiting on the front axle. I mean, not the front, the rear axle to get in. It should be arriving today, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. In the meantime, I'm just working on a customer's car. This is a 2007 Speed 3, and it's here for JMF intake manifold install. So it doesn't have the port injection, just a regular JMF. So, and this car is just basically relatively stock. It's not much done to it, just regular basic bolt-ons and a few bump internals, and he wants like a JMF installed. And I also noticed it doesn't have like the EGR delete, so I might have to grab that one after I finish. Got everything out. Look how filthy it is. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. There's cylinder 1 injector. It's still, it is dirty. I'm surprised the seal is still there. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, it needs some cleaning, and this guy needs an injector service as well too. But for now, you can only do the seal. So next time we'll do the injectors. And yeah, there's cylinder 2. Also really dirty. Wow. Guys, you need to service your injectors if you haven't. It's a lot beneficial and healthier for the car before you start throwing mods at it. And then this cylinder 4. Of course, I'll clean all of them before I put them all back in there, but I'll definitely recommend injector service for him because, wow, yeah, this is all filthy. So I've cleaned pretty much all the ports, make sure there's no gunk in the way that will cause some sealing problems. So everything is clean in the port. Also went ahead and cleaned up the injectors, and got the seals on them, so they're ready to go. These are the Cork Sport seals. That's what he brought me. And yeah, I'm gonna put these in and torque them down to 18 foot-pounds. All right, yeah, fully in and torqued. All right, so I got everything on, got the manifold on. Everything is bolted. My GoPro died, so I wasn't able to get some time lapse of me putting it back in there. But yeah, I just kind of figured I'd just rush into it and just get it done real quick. It's almost getting dark, and now I want to get mine going tomorrow. So I'm almost done with this. Now, only thing I need to do now is just extend this harness. That way this plug can reach down below with that main harness plug. And then should be ready to go. I'll be able to put the top intercooler piping back on. The bottom one is already bolted, so she's done right there. It's the next day. Just got done working on the Speed 3, so she's ready to go. And now I'm going to work on my car. Finally got my axle. Came in yesterday from Speed Performance. Shout out to them for giving me that fast shipping. Got it in a couple of days. But looking at it, this looks like the updated version. Because as you can see, this is mine. The old one that broke, you can see the design. Then the older model, which is what I had, that broke. So now I just gotta take the wheel off and get everything out. So I got it out, and as you can see, this is my old one next to the new one, and you can even tell like automatically like the length of it already, or the boot design. This has a bigger boot, and if you come right here, if I put this at the very end, you can definitely tell like it's just slightly longer. So it might not sit in all the way flushed. I think there are most people complaining about it, but yeah, I think it'll still work. It's just a little more beefier design than the old one. But first, I got to crawl under and turn on the light quick, get the old seal out because it got damaged pretty bad. So I'm gonna pull that one out. That should be fun. And replace that with the new one I got from Mazda. Well, that wasn't too bad, but pretty much all you need is just a flat blade screwdriver. You don't need to put any effort in it, just put it under it and just pull it out. For anybody wondering. So now I just gotta press this one in. It doesn't take much, so just put it at the very edge and just lightly tap it and it'll go right in. She's in. Just press it at the bottom and just lightly tap around it with a hammer, just gently, and it will go in. But yeah, it's pretty much that's how it is. And also I've been getting a lot of questions of what bushing I'm running to run that DSS, and this one right here. It's a low profile bushing for I got it from eBay. It's for a 1985 Fiero. Yeah, surprisingly, they make some stuff for 85 Fiero, but not us. But yeah, this is a low profile bushing, and it clears the axle itself. If you notice how big the axle lane are, yeah, you need like a low profile bushing to clear it. If you still have the stock one, it's gonna chew right through the boot and destroy the axle. You don't want that. But this is the bushing that I've been running. This is what I ran on the old one, and it's been fine. Never had any issues with the axle itself or the boot. Notice what I was mentioning, how it'll stick out a little bit, so it feels like it's not in all the way, but it's in. Doesn't move. There's nothing you can push into it. It's like in and locked in, so can't go any further, and it seals right at the very end of the seal inside it. So it's set flush with the seal. The old one that I have usually seats flush up here, versus this new one does not. So it seems like it extends a little bit and it sits flush inside it with the seal so it doesn't leak. but everything is solid underneath as far as I can see. Bolted down, and now I just need to put some fluid in it and we'll be ready to go again. I think I'll probably just end the video right here, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.